Hello friends, this poem is from my book, The Song of Life, and the title is Life and the Flowing River. Twists and turns and hollow bends, the name is Old Man River. We all recall Paul Robeson's song and the heavenly voice of the singer. The voice so rich and deep, deeper than the Mississippi River, the waters of which kept all things green, the life-saver, life-giver. The river in time and life as well, an onward march, no looking back, rocks and boulders and bits of calm, all part of the ever-flowing stack. Life mirrors the river, and uniquely so. The flowing waters seeking the distant sea, for that is their home finally, while life is in constant search of eternity. The river flows till the end of its time, as does life moving at its own pace. No, there is no race against anyone. For each there is a destined time and place. Rivers meld with the seas and lose themselves somewhere. Life's home is just plain dust, while the soul hovers in the air. Thank you.